I attribute my success to this. I never gave or took any excuse. While often attributed to her, this quote captures Florence Nightingale's spirit. This isn't just about nursing, it's about unwavering dedication to care. Nightingale, the founder of modern nursing, revolutionized healthcare through her tireless work and deep empathy. Her lesson is about taking responsibility, refusing to accept substandard conditions, and relentlessly pursuing improvement for the well-being of others. It's a reminder that true compassion is active, demanding courage, and a refusal to compromise on the quality of care. It's about making a tangible difference in the lives of those who need it most, a hallmark of British humanitarianism. Florence Nightingale's legacy endures. What act of compassion has inspired you? Share your story.